Introducing the AeroPress Manual Grinder, the most compact, high-performance manual coffee grinder ever made. Get ready to create the freshest, most delicious cup of coffee you'll ever taste. To make a brew with the AeroPress Manual Grinder, you'll need the AeroPress Manual Grinder, whole bean coffee of your choosing, your coffee maker of choice. We'll be using an AeroPress Clear, hot water, paper filters, and our favorite mug. The first step is to prepare your hot water. If you have an electric kettle, heat your water to 185 degrees. If you don't, boiling water is fine. Now, let's get your grinder ready to grind. First, ensure that your grinder is at the proper setting. The AeroPress Manual Grinder comes preset for a medium fine grind. At rotation 3, click 6, the ideal grind setting for brewing with an AeroPress. To change your setting, attach the easy grind handle as if you were to grind to hold the shaft in place. Then rotate the adjustment dial at the bottom of the grinder to make adjustments. Turning clockwise while facing the dial will produce a finer grind, while turning counterclockwise will produce a coarser grind. For full details on how to dial in your grinder for your specific brew method, please refer to the table in the instruction manual. If you are not satisfied with the flavor of your first attempt at brewing with a grinder, refer to the coffee compass in the instruction manual to make adjustments to help dial in your preferred flavor profile. Next, remove the easy grind handle and hopper lid from the grinder. Measure out your desired amount of whole bean coffee to grind, up to 25 grams, and load the beans into the hopper. Ensuring the catch is secured to the bottom of the grinder, reattach the hopper lid and easy grind handle. Ensure that the stainless steel knob is positioned up on top. When attaching the handle, you may need to wiggle it slightly to seat it properly on the shaft. Begin to grind by turning in a clockwise direction when facing the top. You should feel some resistance, but the handle should be easy to turn. Once you feel no resistance when turning the handle, you are done grinding. Unscrew the catch and pour the grinds into your AeroPress. Next, brew your preferred recipe using your AeroPress. When done brewing, we recommend a casual cleaning, using the brushes provided to clear out any grinds, particles, or fines in the hopper, adjustment dial, or catch. And that's how it's done, an effortless brew with the AeroPress Manual Grinder.